Do you want to learn how people send Instagram videos to their status? Come, let me show you how to do this in just few seconds. It's very, very easy. Here's how to do that in just few minutes. Very, very easy. You open your Instagram app and you choose the video you want to send to your status. You see on this arrow like button, you click on it and scroll down to see where WhatsApp status is written. You click on WhatsApp status, allow it to load. It's just going to take some few minutes to load, or seconds rather. Allow it to load. Then after loading, to take you directly to your WhatsApp. I have two WhatsApps. That's why it's showing open link and open in WhatsApp. So I have WhatsApp business and I have normal WhatsApp. So this one now is my WhatsApp business. The other one, the root open in WhatsApp, is my WhatsApp, my normal WhatsApp. So I'm going to send this to my WhatsApp business status. So I click on open link.
I want to be an entertainer.
Here it is.
I want to dance. I want to sing. I want to act. I want to do everything.
So you just
but at
write
the
your
time,
captions. I love this woman. Write your caption.
that was not my reality
and
because I
you
got
send it to your status. Very easy. So let's get back to my WhatsApp to see if truly it's sent to my WhatsApp status. All right, so here is my WhatsApp business, and here it
be an
is.
entertainer. I want to dance. I want to sing. I want to act. I want to do everything.
I hope this video was helpful. Please do well to subscribe, like, and follow this channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.